Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. So today's job notification has come from Cisco and it is a good opportunity and salary is quite large. So I hope this video will make you happy and Cisco off campus is hiring for the BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech for all of these batches. So we will discuss in detail in this video that how to apply, what is the application procedure. So if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please hit the like button for this video. So let's jump into this video. So you can see the position name is TAC engineer position and Cisco is hiring for this position. BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech can apply for this job. And you can see that work location is Bangalore. CTC is quite large, 6,50,000. Yeah, 6,50,000. And fresher batch they are hiring for 2018 to 2019 batch can apply. So last date of apply this link is 22nd of October, Thursday, and drive date is Saturday, 24th October. So it will be online drive. So it is a good opportunity to all of you 2018 and 2019 batch. If you want to grab this opportunity, then please go for it. And the eligibility they are asking for BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech from any learning institution for 2018 and 19 batch. College GPA, there is no restriction. That means from 5 to 8 or 9 or 10 GPA can apply for this job. Great PH score is needed because the recruitment will be done through litmus test. Excellent oral and written communication skill needed, ability to work harder to deliver results. So if you want to apply for this job, so you can click on apply link here. I will provide this link in my description box and I will also show you how to apply that thing, so don't skip this video. So what will be your job responsibility as a TAC? Okay, so they are heavily investing in your training, a rigorous 4-month training program it will be, and you will get regular salary during this training process. So it is very good opportunity. You rotate through several technology teams and get first hand experience working with the TAC engineers. The training is very focused and your performance will be reviewed on weekly basis. So after completing this TAC training, you will have the solid understanding of network basic and CCNA certification. Then you will be a permanent employee of Cisco for the position of TAC engineer position. Okay, so if you want to click apply, then just you need to click on apply link. After clicking on apply link, it will be redirected to the official website of Cisco. So this is the this drive is occurring through Elitmus. So you can see that TAC engineer Bangalore position name is TAC engineer and salary is 6,50,000. And fresher can apply for this job, and the job opportunity has come from Cisco. So you just need to log in to apply. So if you have new candidate to this company, then you just need to click on login to apply. Then it will be redirected to the login page. So you just need to register here. If you are a first time candidate, you just need to give your email password and confirm your password. Then you need to click on this captcha, then need to register. Then after login, there will be some form like institution details and educational qualification, and those things you need to fill up, and then you need to apply on this drive. So it is a very good opportunity. Salary is 6,50,000 and TAC engineer position. So BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA can apply for this job. So this is the small notification from Job Updates by Varma. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that first notification will reach to you as early when we are updating in our channel. So thank you friends, we will meet in next video. Take care. Have a great day.